x Gucci ring promises luxury-grade wellness tracking in a designer package. Either we've reached the era where health tech is legitimately high fashion, or we're paying a premium for a logo and a black box of metrics. On paper it sounds wild. Titanium ring, 18K gold Gucci detailing, 24/7 heart rate and HRV, temperature sensing, SpO2 while you sleep, up to 7-day battery and 100-meter water resistance. Here's what caught my attention. This is the same Oura Gen 3 engine under a Gucci exterior, and in the Gucci edition you get membership included for life. But is that enough to justify the price jump? I wore it non-stop for 30 days, slept with it, trained with it, traveled with it, and dug into the data. I've put the direct link to check current pricing in the description, but before you click anything, let me show you what I discovered after a month of testing. The Oura x Gucci ring claims to blend high-end style with serious health intelligence. The pitch: effortless, continuous insights without a bulky smartwatch. Key marketing promises: premium materials with iconic Gucci design. Deep sleep, readiness, and recovery scores powered by HRV, temp, and resting HR. Up to 7 days of battery with fast top-ups. Water resistance to 100 m, so you never take it off. Sounds tempting, right? But here's where things get interesting. Reality check. They claim you're getting a next-level wellness upgrade. What you actually get is Oura Gen 3 in a couture skin. Here's why that matters. Hardware parity means no extra sensors or secret Gucci-only features. Same PPG sensors, same NTC temperature sensor, same accelerometer gyroscope, same app. The plot twist is membership. The Gucci edition includes lifetime Oura membership, which the standard ring does not. That saves about $6 a month. Do the math. A standard heritage ring runs a few hundred up front, plus around $72 per year for membership. Over 5 years, you're still usually hundreds under the Gucci price. You'd need roughly 8 years of use to break even solely on membership savings. Here's where it gets mathematically impossible to justify the Gucci price on function alone. They claim the ring nails sleep staging and readiness. What you actually get is some of the best consumer sleep tracking with caveats. Evidence: in my 30-day run, Oura's sleep onset and total duration were consistently within minutes of my manual logs. HRV trends lined up with how I felt the next morning, and temperature deviations flagged a brewing cold 2 days early. That's legit, but sleep stage breakdown isn't a medical device. Expect directionally accurate trends, not lab-grade staging. Cold fingers, loose fit, or wearing it too high on the finger can throw heart rate off. I saw that on a couple of chilly mornings where resting HR spiked unrealistically until my hands warmed up. They claim all-day heart rate and recovery insight. Reality: resting and nighttime HR are solid. High-intensity workout HR can get laggy. Why? PPG on a ring shines light into tissue and infers blood flow. It's fantastic at rest, finicky in motion. During kettlebell swings and rowing intervals, the ring sometimes undercounted peaks versus a chest strap. If your priority is live workout HR, this is not your tool. If you want recovery and readiness from overnight data, it's excellent. They claim you can live in it with 100 m water resistance and week-long battery. Reality: I averaged 5.2 days per charge with mixed training and SpO2 enabled. A 20-80-minute top-up on the dock put me back near full. Showers, dishwashing, sauna-light bathroom steam, no problem. But let's be real here, if you're expecting never-charge territory, that's fantasy. Plan a quick top-up every few days. Here's where things get interesting. Style tax. The Gucci finish looks incredible: black PVD titanium with 18K gold interlocking G details, and it does turn heads. But PVD can show scuffs over time, especially if you lift or grip metal bars. After 30 days, I had micro hairlines you can only see in certain light, but they're there. If you're precious about pristine finishes, know this is still a ring meeting real life. Detailed breakdown, build, and comfort. The form factor is tried and true Oura Gen 3, around 4-6 grams depending on size. Smooth inner surface, flat sensor window that rests against the underside of your finger. Once sized correctly, you forget it's on. The Gucci detailing doesn't change comfort, just aesthetics. Sizing kit is essential: too loose and readings drift, too tight and you'll take it off. Battery life rated up to 7 days. I landed at just over 5 with SpO2 and continuous HR on. Turn off SpO2 and you'll squeeze closer to 6-7. A quick 30-minute dock session got me from percent to over 70%. No wireless charging, it's a proprietary dock, so do not lose it. Sensors and accuracy: infrared and green PPG LEDs, NTC temperature, accelerometer, and gyro. Strengths: resting HR, HRV trends, temperature deviations, sleep duration, and readiness scoring. Weaknesses: rapid HR changes during dynamic workouts, step counts. Oura focuses on movement load instead, and occasional misclassification of short daytime naps. SpO2 is overnight trend only, not a medical spot check. In my tests, SpO2 nightly averages were stable in the mid to high 90s. App and insights: this is the secret sauce. Readiness, sleep, and activity scores are digestible and helpful. The app nudged me to take a recovery day after a late-night flight when my HRV dipped and temp spiked. Good call. Period prediction and cycle insights are meaningful for many users based on temperature trends. What the marketing doesn't mention: you need consistent wear and good fit to keep those insights accurate. Skip a day or wear it loose and your trends get noisy. Style and durability: it looks luxe, it also advertises itself. If low-key is your thing, the Gucci treatment is the opposite. PVD is tough but not invincible. Metals, rough surfaces, and gym racks will win. Here's what nobody tells you: there are knockoff Gucci stamped rings online that are just fashion pieces with no sensors. If you're shopping on marketplaces, make sure the listing is the actual Oura x Gucci collab with the membership details spelled out. Verdict: buy with caution. Functionally, this is the excellent Oura Gen 3 experience: top-tier sleep and recovery insights, comfortable 24/7 wear, multi-day battery. The Gucci edition adds serious style and includes lifetime membership, which softens the blow over time but does not erase the premium. Pros: standout sleep and readiness metrics, comfy form factor, battery that beats smartwatches, membership included. Cons: massive upfront price, no extra health features over the standard Oura, workout HR variability, potential scuffs on the finish. Worth it if you want a statement piece and plan to wear it for years. If you just want the health data, save your money and grab the standard Oura. Stay savage out there. Thanks for watching. If this review saved you from wasting money or helped you find something actually worth buying, I've put the link to check current pricing and read more reviews in the description. And hey, if you do decide to buy through my link, it helps fund these investigations without costing you extra. Drop a comment: Gucci glam or keep it stealth? Next up, I'm comparing Oura, Ultra Human Ring Air, and Whoop to see which recovery tracker actually wins in 2026. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Catch you in the next one.